Hello everyone, this is Yi from Gosu Boat. Today we share this one, 23 feet Profisher fishing boat. Currently we have more clients prefer this size. No need the larger size to store the boats like the 7.5 meter and larger than 6 meter boats so can carry more people to do fishing. This boat is designed with open deck. We can see the layout, simple. 2 seats, storage box, glass door for relaxing area, or toilet. Can meet your basic requirement for people to do fishing, but carry more people. Well, we have different options for this one, like the aluminium roof to the stand. You can see which one you need. This size is very popular, especially in Australia, New Zealand. Well, we can show you more details about this one. The client adds trolling motor bracket on the valve, so they will install the trolling motor when receiving. And you can see here, remove these screws, then install the trolling motor, which would be convenient. The tip-way bottom design, the 2 strips, so can make the boat's performance excellent when driving. You can see the welding on the bottom. The valve for the trailer. Deep-way bottom design. On the top, the client adds this searchlight, electric horn, the radar tower, so they will install the GPS radar equipment. We can provide as well, like the calming system, SIM ride. Well, we can see here, the client adds this tick on the front area. So when they see it, it would be more comfortable when seeing the front review or taking pictures, not sleepy. This boat is designed with single engine. Usually for this one, single engine, twin engine both available. You can see which one you need. The small engine bracket for emergency. The underwater light, which would be more atmosphere to when driving at night. The link, and also here the drilling hole for the boat build pump place. Here. Also, we upgrade the aluminum hatch on the stern. So you can see the build pump. For single engine or twin engines, this build pump, this hatch would be different, 1 or 3. The build pump, please. Usually we have the client make it the ladder like this. The rails and the foldable ladder, you can see which one you need, which is optional. The open deck. For this size boat, we will deliver them by the 40-feet container. Remove the cabin roof and whole boat separately inside container. We can see here. That is where we separate the cabin roof and whole boat. When you receive, you can assemble them by boat here. This hole here is very easy to see and easy to do assemble. And also here we can see the wire. You plug the 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4 them each other and do the connections for the wire for the equipment. It's very easy. This layout is very simple. 2 seats with storage box. We will put cushions on it so people can sit, can put stuff inside. This storage box is removable. We can see the screws here. When you need to do the check or remove them. Damping seats. For captain seats, more clients prefer the damping seats, which would be more comfortable. For the relaxing area, the client adds glass door, so which can provide more privacy. When you use the marine toilet or to relax in this area. This area is okay to have 3 kids to sit here. If for adults, they can, I think it's not long enough, but they can sit here or relax as well. A small hatch here. For the marine toilet and this glass door, which is optional, you can see if needed. The hole here, so in case some water inside this area. The anchor wheel. Small hatch here. On the dashboard, we put sticker here. Also, this space is left for the equipment, for the GPS, signal, the Bluetooth music system, the switch control panel. In the front, we make this stick and 2 cup holders. The Bluetooth music system speakers. It is okay if you would like the Fura music system. The deck light. The storage box here and the floor. So you can see the space here and also the draining hole. You can put the stuff inside. On the stern, the fold-down seats, the cutting board. Here, the washing pump. We can see where we install the washing pump. And the battery box, which is connected with washing gun here. And also the water to the fish tank, live bait tank on the side. On the stern, the client adds this bracket, so they can install some equipment which would be more convenient for the fishing. The fold-down seats here. Battery box. Another battery box. See the battery switch. Cutting board. Draining hole here. Well, that's the basic layout of this 23 feet Profisher fishing boat. You can see the space of this one. Between the 2 seats, we can have the large space for adults to sit here, to stand here, or walk through in this area. And we can see the relaxing area, the glass door for that. You can see the space of this one. It can carry about 6-7 people to do fishing by this boat. With the open deck, you can have the greater view and more large deck space. We have clients that add the aluminum roof to the stern, or you can select the extended sunshade to cover the deck, which is optional. Now you may see some different boat pictures for this model. You can contact me to see the accessories you can install, the layout, the changes on the boat. Well, contact me by my WhatsApp and see the boat price. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.